Famous Canadian doctor Theresa Tam sounds the alarm. Everyone who received the COVID vaccine is in mortal danger. Doctors from around the world are beginning to reveal the horrifying truth about side effects that were previously carefully concealed. Elderly people are particularly at risk. Listen to what Dr. Tam says. Her words are shocking.
During the aggressive wave of mandatory COVID vaccination, fueled by massive propaganda and concealment of the truth in early 2022, Canada reduced the interval between vaccine doses from 5 months to just 3. According to the Ministry of Health and Dr. Marla Shapiro, this was supposedly meant to save lives. But in reality, a true catastrophe began. Even back then, I was receiving alarming signals about terrifying, previously suppressed consequences of the so-called vaccine. One of the most disturbing examples is from forensic pathologist Dr. Michael Polinen. In an interview, he revealed a shocking truth. Starting in 2021, in the bodies of deceased individuals, most of whom were vaccinated, he began finding sinister rubber-like clots. They resembled long white worms twisting through the veins of the dead. All of this was documented by Michael Polinen with photographs, which should have shocked the entire world, but were carefully suppressed. Almost all of the bodies with these formations had died of heart attacks, strokes, or sudden cardiac arrest. During autopsies, resilient, dense fibers emerged from their arteries and veins, red on the outside, abnormally white on the inside, firm like plastic. These are not clots, they are something else entirely. Michael Polinen emphasized, normal clots disintegrate upon touch. These do not break, do not bend, and do not tear. Soon he began receiving confirmations from colleagues around the world. They too had encountered similar findings. And the most horrifying part, the frequency of such cases sharply increased from 50% to a terrifying 80%. Michael Polinen is convinced the link to vaccination is obvious. He is one of the few who dared to speak out. The rest stay silent, out of fear or for money. But this is not an isolated case. For the 4th consecutive year, Michael Polinen continues to document these fibrous formations. And no one in the media talks about it. No one. This global silence is a crime against humanity. People were fed a lie, and in reality, millions became victims of a monstrous experiment bringing colossal profits to Big Pharma. I appeal to all residents of Canada and beyond. Wake up before it's too late. If you don't want to die from a sudden lightning-fast clot caused by this life-saving jab, cleanse your blood vessels. This is vital. Doing it just once a year is enough to protect yourself from death. Since